Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice on Messenger call. So in here, I've already opened the Messenger apps on my phone and I'm going to try making a call. So just like the conversation, here you can just click on the phone icon. No such feature yet on Messenger where you can change your voice. If you want to, you can just go to the App Store or Play Store and find the voice changer apps in here. Voice changer, here you can just select the one that you want, install it on your phone, and you can use it when you are making the call on Messenger apps. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.